Hey guys, so I'm back. So today we're just going to be making a fortune teller. So if you know what these are and you know how to make them, good. You can watch some of my other videos about other things. Yeah, and all you're going to need is pen, scissors. You don't have to use scissors, and a square piece of paper. It has to be square. The reason I've got a file down here is because I used that to make it square. So right. Let's start. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna need to do is we're just gonna be like folding the corners in like this. So like, but just all of them. So I would fold these two in at the same time. So then like, you know if they're like equal or not. So it's quite good. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look, you see mine, not perfect, doesn't matter. And we're gonna be doing the same just here. This is why it needs to be square. Okay guys, so it's not square, it won't work. Look, you see my folds, they aren't perfect. You can see that, but it doesn't matter. So, fold this in too. So after that, we're just flipping it over. And we're folding it in like this. Okay, so just folding these ones in. Just here. Just like this. Yeah, so once you're done with these, then good to go to the next step. So guys, please like and subscribe to my videos because I really appreciate it when you've done that. And like I just really need your help because like it would just be a kind thing to do, kind deed, a nice thing to do. So this is what I've got. Look, really not perfect. Doesn't matter. It will still work. So now we're gonna fold this like over, just like this. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect, as I said. Mine ripped a bit. Doesn't matter. Yeah, really doesn't matter. And then just fold it again, just here. So we've got this. At the moment, you'll be thinking, how is this a fortune teller? You're about to see. If I put my two fingers in these flaps here, just here, and these, so like my fingers in these, and then my other fingers in these ones, like just here, then once I've done that, it will practically transform into a fortune teller. Good, isn't it? Yeah, I know. And now we're going to use the scissors to... So basically, when you open this, you'll have multiple choices. But then when you open it, you'll be able to see both of them. So we're just going to cut down here. Because you don't want people to see both of them, do you? And what I like using this for is just a way to tell people, so like if they've got a question, they'll ask it, and then you put yes or and no in like different ones. So then when they when they open it, then like it will answer their question. So you're also going to need like some other colouring pens, or you can just write numbers again. So I will just write numbers on all of them, but sometimes you write colours. Honestly, this is one of the first times I've written numbers, but still, it will still work very well. Still work exactly the same. So now that you've cut them up, it might take a bit to put them in. So basically on here, you will just write 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. So it's like this. And now on the inside, so in here we're going to write numbers up to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want, you can do them random. So like you have like 1 here, 2 there, 3 there, 4 there. So you can write them any way you like, but I'm just going to do them in order. And oh, bad 8, sorry. Yeah. And then inside, just like I said, you can write anything like dares, challenges, telling people like what they are, something. So I'm just gonna write yes and no and maybe. This is my normal handwriting. Like I can do really good handwriting, but still, just write it like that because everybody can read that. Put it random, so because then people will know which ones they are, depending on if it's an odd and even times tables. So, yeah. Yeah, so just bear with me, while I fill all of these in. It won't take very long. See you in a second. Okay, guys, so I've done them all now. It was quite boring, and let's see if it works. Hold on a second. I'm just gonna bring my assistant over in a second once I've put this up. Sorry about that writing on my hand. I kind of just do that. Just write on my hand. But it's not important, and it's not important for anyone. Right, now let's see if it works. Okay, so this is my assistant, and we're going to be trying this out. So pick a number.
3.
1, 2, 3. Right, now pick a number. We got 8, 7, 4, and 3.
8.
Won't be able to see that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same options.
4.
Right, let's open 4 up. Wait, ask a question.
Are you going to eat all your dinner tonight?
Possible.
Oh, it's possible.
Okay, so it works. I already knew that because why would I have done the video? Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment. Thank you for watching. That's the most important thing. Bye.